Hi, welcome to Was Cooks. Today I'm going to be making crispy Korean chicken wings. I love this dish. The sweetness of the maple syrup combined with the spice of the gochujang. This makes a great coating for the crispy chicken wings that have a light texture, and finishes with some crunch of some sesame seeds and also some spring onion. Stay with me till the end and I'll give you some tips on how to make a lovely garlic and soy version for those of you that don't like too much chili, and I'll show you also how to keep it in the freezer or for the next time. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to need a deep bottom pan or fryer with vegetable oil in, approximately about 800 mils. That should come no more than halfway up the side of the pan, and we're going to bring that to a temperature of 150 degrees. Now we're going to make the sauce. So what we're going to need for this sauce is 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 4 centimetres of ginger peeled and finely grated, 4 tablespoons of gochujang paste, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, this is optional, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, one tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Bring all the ingredients to a boil and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. So now the sauce is nearly there, we're going to get those crispy chicken wings going. So take your chicken wings and then we're going to take off the tips, cut them in half. Straight through and look for the fat line. Straight through. There we are, all done. So next in a bowl we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 40 grams of potato flour, 40 grams plain flour and 30 grams of glutinous rice flour. So then take this and just give it all a stir up. This is going to be your coating for your chicken. This is going to be our first fry. Take them out and onto some kitchen paper. Put our chicken wings back in, and these are at 185 degrees now, just to crisp them up. They're crispy and brown. Take them out onto some paper. And now reheat the sauce. Just bring that back to the boil. Just going to warm that through. Look at these chicken wings. Lovely, crispy. And then in the chicken wings go. I'm going to coat those around. So look at that. And we're going to garnish some sesame seeds and some spring onion. So there we have it. Here we have our crispy chicken wings. Wow, all that gochujang, all that maple syrup, a bit of brown sugar, and some lovely spices in there. Crispy, sweet, lovely. Check out, right, my mouthful. Check me out next. I'll give you the tips on how to keep the sauce, and also how to eat chicken wings while doing a video. And also our sauce without any chili. So this is a soy and ginger. Okay, bye. Now, as promised, our garlic and soy sauce. What we're gonna need for that is 6 cloves of garlic, crush them down same as before, 4 centimeters of ginger, finely crushed or grated. Then you're gonna need a tablespoon and a half of rice wine vinegar, and then the rest is easy. 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. Boil that down, same as before. Simple, easy, and less spicy. So how can you keep this sauce? Best thing to do, pop it in a plastic bag, pop it in the freezer. If you're going to use it at the weekend, then you can pop it in a tub with a tight fitting lid, and it will keep for about a week in the fridge. You're all ready for your next batch of chicken wings. Wow.